moving over here.
It's so neat. Yeah, Craig will just kind of keep his hand on there for 10 minutes.
Can you feel him, Mom?
You taking pictures or do you want us to look up?
I got a video.
Oh.
Oh, you got a video?
Baby boy.
Mimi, can you feel the baby?
Can I feel a
See
baby?
him right there, Mimi, right here.
If you can press
It's
in.
a little
it
bit
won't hurt him.
different.
Oh, yeah, you can go for it.
Might
There's
be
lots of
so
padding.
sometimes you can feel a head.
Do you remember this, Mom?
Uh-huh.
And then Amy, you did this 5 times. You're Wonder Woman.
Five kids you
5 kids, you did.
Oh.
No, I'm not. I don't think I'm that strong.
Maybe I
Here, he's definitely right here.
Oh,
You
he's
can
there. Yeah,
c-
feel that
compare.
right there, Mimi.
So if you press in here, compared to where it's kind of soft and cushy here, that means that's probably a
Hopefully not
baby
hurting his head.
bottom. I think his head is down.
Oh, good.
I feel more freedom kind of pressing around now that I know the head is
good.
down.
This wants to go down here.
Nope. This is probably, I think right now he's positioned, so his head's about here and his bottom's kind of curved around here.
Fanny
So
is
we're like giving him a little love
Fanny.
pat. Love pat on the boob. Hello.
This is great.